welcome to our channel. My name is Pavni and this is my sister Pranavi. Today we are going to show how to make a Christmas ball. Let's get started. To make a ball we need 2 colored glitter foam, twine thread, hot glue gun, scissors, marker and a ruler. We need to make a strip of 9.5 centimeter length and 1 centimeter width. We need to make 9 strips like this for each color. Then we need to mark 1.5 centimeter on the strip. After doing that, we need to cut the foam like this. It will become like a triangle shape. For both sides we need to cut. Like this. I've already made 9 strips of purple and 9 strips of grey. Now we need to make a square 5 centimeter length and 5 centimeter width. And we also need a strip of 5 centimeter length and 1.5 centimeter width. Now we need to apply glue on one side. Then we need to stick this on. Now we need to roll this paper like this and apply glue here, then stick this. It will become like this. Now we need to mark a circle of this size. Then you need to cut it out. Then you need to stick this on this. You need to put glue here. Stick here. You need to do the same thing for the other one. Okay, now we need to make a center point. Even the other side. Now we need to stick these strips here. To stick it. Like that we need to do for other strips. I've done first side. So we need to do the same thing for the other side with these colors. And don't forget, we need to stick it at the center point or else your ball won't come properly. we are done sticking. Now what you need to do is, you need to pull this string and stick it over here. Okay, so here it's over. Now we need to do the same thing this side. Ooh, so sticky. Now we are done sticking all the sides. We need to make a strip of 2 centimeter width and 6 centimeter length. We need to stick it like this. Now we need to take the twine and stick it in one corner. Hold this tightly. Okay, so we're done making this thing. Now we need to apply some glue on top of the ball and stick this. Okay, the ball is ready. Isn't it looking pretty? Yeah, it's beautiful. Guys, try this at home. I hope you like this video. Thanks for watching. Bye.